In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide the ribbon in Microsoft Excel. The ribbon is the panel located at the top of Excel, where all the commands, tools, and functions are organized. Sometimes you might want to hide it to gain more workspace, or show it when you need access to all Excel features. Let's go through the methods that make controlling the ribbon simple and efficient. The fastest way to toggle the ribbon is by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus F1. Pressing these keys together will instantly hide or show the ribbon. If it disappears, simply press Ctrl plus F1 again and the ribbon will return to its previous state. This method is quick and works consistently across any Excel window size. Another effective approach is by using the right-click menu. Right-click on any of the tab names such as Home, Insert, or Page Layout. From the menu that appears, select Collapse the ribbon. Doing this will hide all the commands while keeping only the tab names visible. Whenever you need a specific command, click on the tab name to display its commands temporarily. Clicking anywhere outside the ribbon will collapse it back, keeping your workspace clean and organized. To bring the ribbon back fully, simply right-click on any tab again and click Collapse the ribbon one more time. These methods allow you to easily control the ribbon's visibility according to your needs. You can choose to work with the full ribbon, only the tabs, or have it completely hidden for more screen space. Adjusting the ribbon in this way helps streamline your workflow and ensures that you can access Excel tools quickly without unnecessary clutter. Experiment with these options to find the setup that works best for your daily tasks. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.